Welcome. In this video, we are jumping straight into what you need to know about kinetics for the AP chemistry exam. No fluff, just the cheat sheet, summary, and common exam questions to help you score high. Let's dive in. Rate laws are always tested on the AP chemistry exam. Memorize these equations because they are frequently tested in calculations. K tip: if the exam give you a table of concentrations versus rate, you must determine the order using rate comparison. For a reaction to occur, molecules must collide with enough energy, higher temperature equal more successful collisions. And don't forget the right orientation. Common exam question: why does increasing the temperature increases rate of the reaction? Answer: it increases the collision frequency and more particles overcome activation energy. You must recognize and label energy profiles. Here is what to know. Exothermic: energy released, products lower than reactants. Endothermic: energy absorbed, products higher than reactants. Key exam trick: activation energy is always the highest point between reactants and products. The highest point is the activation energy. The slow step in a reaction controls the rate. Exam questions will give you multiple steps and ask, what is the rate determining step? And ask you to derive the rate law from the mechanism. The tip: reactants in the slow step determine the rate law. So look for the slow step. The reactants are the ones that will help you to know the rate law. So if the reactant coefficient is 1, then it will be to the power of 1. So it will be first order. If the coefficient is 2, it will be second order for this reactant. The catalysts, always a common question. The catalysts speed up reactions without being consumed. Homogeneous catalysts, same phase as the reactant, for example, enzymes in the solution, both of them liquid. Heterogeneous catalyst, different phase. Example, a solid catalyst, but a gas reaction. This is your quick reference kinetics formula sheet memorized. First order half-life, T half is equal to 0.693 over K. Second order half-life, T half is equal to 1 over K multiplied by initial concentration. Exam tip: if the half-life stays constant, the reaction is first order. Again, if the half-life stays constant, the reaction is first order. The only order in which there is constant half-life is the first order. You made it to the final part of the kinetics revision. So let's do a quick recap of everything covered today. Hey, this is a very short video. If you know what we are saying, if there is any point that you don't understand what we are saying, you need to go back to the detailed video. Don't feel afraid if there is something you didn't understand or you feel you miss a lot, you can still go back to the videos that explain this one. The rate laws: know the zero, first, and second order equations. Collision theory: reaction only happen when molecules collide with enough energy and proper orientation. The energy profiles: learn activation energy, how catalysts affect the reaction speed, how the graphs will look with the catalyst and without the catalyst. Reaction mechanism: identify the rate determining step, and you can derive the rate law from it. Catalysis: understood homogeneous versus heterogeneous catalyst. Now, your next step is to practice real AP exam questions using these concepts. If you found this helpful, check out the next video for advanced kinetic problems. Let's get you that 5 on the AP exam.